matter. Fugitive gangster Lawrence Bishnoi's legal team has been attacked. That's the latest now coming in on your screens right now. These are the latest images of the car in which the legal team was coming in. In fact, as of now, there is no details with regards to whether at all there have been any casualties or not. Let me also go across to a reporter, Saurav, who's getting us the latest details with regards to whether at all any case has been registered so far. In fact, the latest now coming in with regards to the two incidents that have taken place earlier today, one in the state of Maharashtra and the other happening in Canada. These are the latest now coming in. The Delhi Police Special Cell has also reached the spot, is what we are being told right now. In fact, they're looking at whether at all there have been any other incidents that have taken place. In fact, Saurav is joining us on this broadcast. Saurav, it seems that Delhi Police has cordoned off that entire area. Any details that are you picking up in terms of who was in the car and whether at all anyone has been arrested so far?
Yes, no, currently the police has not arrested anyone in this case. The police is investigating this as it happened earlier, in the past hour only. This was a grey color CS car, which number is DL7CW7910. And in this car, the Lawrence Bishnoi legal team member was present. And multiple shots were fired at that car near the ISBT. And the Delhi police will probe the angle if that any other gang member is involved in this firing incident, and who and what is the reason behind this firing. Is there any enmity because of which the firing incident happened? Now the Delhi police have reached the location and they have cordoned off the whole area and they are started the investigation. As of now, these are the latest details which we are getting from the ground. Back to you.
Well, thank you very much, Saurav, for getting us the latest details. Let me just quickly recap for all our viewers who are tuning in right now. This is a late-night development that has taken place in the national capital from the ISBT area, which is in central New Delhi. In fact, the latest details coming in is of a firing that has been reported, a shootout that has taken place. In fact, we are also picking up that Lawrence Bishnoi's legal team was present in the car. They were basically on their way back from the court when the firing has actually taken place. Police are essentially examining the CCTV footage to identify the attackers.